Welcome to iLecture Online. Just to make sure we still remember how to do a typical type of probability problem, let's see if we know what to do with this one. So we have a box that contains 7 marbles, 4 are red and 3 are blue. We're supposed to pick 3 of the marbles and we need to figure out the probability that we'll have 3 red marbles. First, given that we replace them, in other words, we always put the marble back and we just keep tally. Second, without replacing them. Once a marble is gone, we cannot replace it with another marble, so the number of marbles will decline as we keep pulling out marbles. So for part A, when we pick the probability that we have 3 red, that will be equal to, let's see here, when we pull the first marble, we'll take 1 marble out of 7, but 4 of them can be red, 3 of them are blue. That means we have a 4 out of 7 chance that the marble that we picked is indeed a red marble. But then we put the red marble back, so we pull the second marble. We get the same probability for the second marble, which is 4 out of 7. And then we pull out the third marble, and again, same thing, it's going to be 4 out of 7. So when we multiply all the 4s, that will give us 64. Multiply all the 7s, that's 49, that's 50, that's 343. And so that will be the probability that we'll have 3 red marbles. Let's see, what does that kind of look like? 64 divided by 343, that gives us 0.187%. So 0.18, did I say 7? Yes, I did. 7%. Okay, so about 18.7% probability that we'll end up with 3 red marbles. But what if we don't replace them? Well, that will be part B. So the probability will end up with 3 red marbles. So the first marble will be exactly the same. We have 7 marbles, 4 of them are red, so the probability that the marble we pull out first is a red one will be 4 out of 7. But now once we pulled out that red marble, now we only have 3 red left and 3 blue left. So now when I pick the next marble, there's only 3 out of 6 chances we'll get a red marble. And then of course, again, if we pick the red marble, then we'll only have 2 red left and 3 blue. So now when we pick a marble, it's only 2 out of 5. That's the probability that we'll pull out a red marble. So when we multiply all these out, let's see here, 3 and 6, that becomes 1 and 2, 2 and 2, that cancels out. So it ends up with a 4 in the numerator and a 35 in the denominator. So you can see there's a much smaller probability to end up with 3 red marbles. 4 divided by 35, which is 0.114. 0.114, so only about 11.4% probability will end up with 3 marbles instead of the 18.7%. And that is how it's done.